It's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my doll babies, hot dog, baby. So I am, in the beginning, you saw some different styling things, so I'm going to do different styling things with these. So let's talk about the first, is Outre's quick weave, self-styled in 60 seconds, silk pressed texture, and this is Violetta. I have her in the color DR Chocolate Cream. I think this is my favorite color in the entire world. In the whole world. For reals. And it says she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. New half wig cap, lays flat, requires less leave out. I do have some of my, this is my real hair right here. But this is what the cap construction is going to look like. It's flat around the front. It has 2 combs in the front. It used to have like big combs in the front. I think that's what they're saying because you couldn't lay it flat because of that. Cap feels really, really good. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. Violetta is a light yucky texture. This is all the hair to the front, so it's not like a ton of hair. There's definitely yuckiness to her. I'm gonna put her in the 24-ish. I'm 5'6.5". So I put her in the 24-inch range. Let's look at her from the back. So I love her. She's comfortable. The cap is comfortable. She is, I think, Outre in general has larger caps, so this is a little bit of a larger cap. So I just have her on. I left baby hairs out, and you can see I just have my headband over it. So I did add some sort of just like a sideburn situation, just because I could pull this down and it wouldn't be an issue. But I'm hard of hearing. I'm deaf in one of my ears, so I don't like to obstruct my ears because then I can't hear. I already can't hear, so. But I feel like you could do something like this with her. The color's just so stunning. It's got sort of like a reddish situation in it. I feel like, so I'm gonna put her up. I had her up earlier, and I'm gonna put her up so you can see what I mean in terms of like, this is how I was wearing her earlier. So let me style her for a minute and then I'll come back. As you can see, I absolutely love this. I put it half up, half down in a pony. It's so comfortable. This is definitely in my long-term collection. I think I'm really falling in love with half wigs. So I got Violetta at Glamour Trust for $19.94. Also, I want to try, and let's just do one more little style.